How to fix can't hear calls unless speakerphone is on. Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if you're not able to hear your calls on your earpiece speaker. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing that you need to notice is when you are trying to pick up a call and your earpiece speaker is not working, then you have to make sure that your Bluetooth is not turned on. If your Bluetooth device is turned on, you won't be able to hear from your earpiece speaker. You can only change it to your normal speaker on your phone. For that, you just swipe down to your notification panel and turn off your Bluetooth like that. The other thing that you need to notice is your call volumes. When you are on call and press volume button and tap on this menu icon, you will find a different slider for your call volume. You just have to make sure that it's not muted and it's turned on. And once you do that, if you are still facing the problem, then you have to make sure that you're not playing anything on the background, because usually when you are playing stuff on the background, like music or anything, then you won't be able to hear from your earpiece speaker. You will only be able to hear from your normal speaker. So those are the things that you have to note if your phone's earpiece speaker is not working properly. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.